Okay, I wanted to do a quick flip through of my Europe journal. I had one that I kept notes in, and then I wanted to do one more creatively, a layout. I mean, I still have some pockets in this, and I still have the writing, but I wanted to just capture each place in like a snippet. Verona we loved. There's 4 pages for that. Florence, Tuscany, we did 4 pages for that because there was a lot of things that happened in Tuscany, so I wanted to capture that. I also did little sacred hearts for each place that we went because that's where I fell in love with these. I asked somebody what they were, and they said it in Italian, so I didn't know what they were. I had never seen them before. And so I just love them. So I incorporated them into this journal with a focus word. And we always do 10 things that we love and 10 things that we learned in each place that we go. Went to Switzerland. And I even cut out pictures as part of the scenery too. Switzerland, things we loved, things we learned. Milan, London, things we learned. I mean, things we loved, things we learned. And then I just did a photo collage at the end. It's super simple, but nice, quick, easy.